Think healthy eating is tough? Think again. Saves your gold. Eating healthy can actually save you money by reducing those impulse buys. You don't have to be rich. Healthy eating is for everyone. No big budget necessary. Healthy delights. You don't have to give up tasty treats. Just choose wisely. Not sophisticated. Healthy meals can be simple and still pack a flavorful punch. Plenty of options. Fruits, veggies, grains, proteins. Mix and match to keep it interesting. Easy recipes. Quick, easy recipes mean tasty meals in under 30 minutes. Portion control helps. It's all about balanced portions to prevent overeating. It's about balance, not perfection. Enjoy your favorites in moderation. No strict rules here. Convenience stores and markets offer healthy options. Healthy snacks and fresh produce are more accessible than ever. Long-term benefits are motivating. Eating healthy today means a better quality of life tomorrow. So there you have it. 10 reasons why eating healthy is easier than you think. Ready to give it a try? Let's get started.